solution using the method of joints pero mas madali siya, 'no? Kasi nga ang ginagamit lang natin dito is the summation of forces vertical and the summation of forces horizontal, 'no. Um, Kabaligtaran or mas mahirap naman si analysis ni ano, ni method of sections kasi involved na dun si summation of moments. Okay. So sige, this is our problem number 2. Yung problem number 3 natin, ito ngayon yung balak kong pasagutan sa inyo. 'No, so ito yung ibibigay kong activity for you na kapagka nakapag-submit ng solution 'no, is yun yung makaka-receive ng additional 5 points 'no. So kung hindi nagpa-excuse sa akin today or um, wala man lang kahit anong notice 'no, na hindi sila makakapag-attend. Though wala namang problema, pero yun nga, sabi ko nun sa first meeting natin kapagka nagkaroon ako ng graded activity during our meeting, kapag hindi ka excused is hindi na kita bibigyan ng, chance to comply. Kasi nga yung activity na yun is supposed to be done during our time. And kung wala ka at hindi ka naman excuse, wala namang valid reason, so hindi ka mabibigyan ng incentives. Okay, so ito yung problem number 3 natin. I would like you to answer this wa together with your answer. So, you can use a different colored pen 'no, para makita natin yung ano, yung forces or yung changes. And then kapagka nagkaroon ng maling assumptions, kindly, rewrite your solutions. Now, 'wag gayahin yung ganito, kasi ito ay ginawa lang natin kasi ang haba masyado isulat. Pero kapagka nag-a-assessment tayo, isusulat siya 'no, ire-rewrite ang solutions pati yung, naging correction niyo in the direction of your forces. Okay, so 'yun, ang problem 3 natin, 'yan. And then kapagka natapos tayo dito, with we'll proceed with method of sections na. Hindi, may isa pa pala tayong problem for method of joints and then we'll proceed to method of sections. Yeah. So again, this is simply supported and meron tayong 37.5 degrees. Tapos dito is 5 kilonewtons. Tapos 10 kilonewtons and 5 kilonewtons. No. Tapos dito, we have 3, 3. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay. So yan yung forces natin. Okay. So ito ang kailangan niyo pong i-solve, 'no? So first, 'no, kailangan muna nating i-identify si reactions. Iso-solve muna po natin ang reactions bago tayo mag-start mag-analyze. So this is a pin, meron tayong horizontal component. But since wala tayong horizontal na applied force, therefore the reaction of your horizontal component sa is 0. Okay? So I will give you probably mga 30 minutes to answer this problem.